Welcome to our tech channel. Today we are excited to bring you the Redmi 12 Vivid, a smartphone. With its powerful features and sleek design, the Redmi 12 Vivid is a device that promises to elevate your mobile experience. Let's take a closer look at what this phone has to offer. Redmi 12 Vivid key specifications display. The Redmi 12 Vivid features a 679-inch flat display with a 92Hz adaptive sync refresh rate. This means the display dynamically switches between 30-48 hours, 6Hz and 90Hz based on the content, providing a smooth and power-efficient scrolling experience. Processor powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chips built on a 4N process, the Redmi 12 Vivid ensures robust performance. And storage. It comes with up to 16GB of RAM including 8 virtual RAM and 256GB of fast storage. Camera setup. The 50MP dual camera captures clear details and vivid photographs. Features include dual mode, night view mode, and film filters. Battery. The massive 5000 mAh battery keeps you connected all day long. Durability. The Redmi 12 Vivid is fitted water and splash resistant and features Corning Gorilla Glass for durability. Design available in jet black, pastel blue and moonstone silver. The Redmi 12 Vivid offers a color option for every style. Pricing and availability. The Redmi 12 Vivid is priced at around 11,999 Indian rupees. It's a compelling choice for users seeking a powerful smartphone at low price. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tech reviews and news. Stay tech savvy and we will see you in the next video.